Hi there! Today, I'd like to discuss how to block bookmarklets on student Chromebooks using xFanatical SafeDock. Students can use bookmarklets to run JavaScript code in the browser, potentially bypassing restrictions, disrupting classroom activities, and accessing unauthorized content on school-managed Chromebooks. That's where SafeDock comes for the rescue. xFanatical SafeDock helps schools prevent bookmarklet misuse by blocking JavaScript-based bookmarklets on student Chromebooks, reducing security risks, minimizing distractions, and maintaining a safer, more controlled digital learning environment. Getting started is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for SafeDock, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, simply enable the Block Bookmarklets policy and set its value to True to easily remove the bookmarklets option in Google Docs. Apply for a 30-day free trial and experience the full capabilities of SafeDock. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.